Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your current vacation into another vacation. So this is going to be a quick training video, but after this video, you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. So in this video, we're going to take a Disney trip. We're going to take a pretend Disney trip, and the dates are from February the 13th through the 19th, and let's say 2 adults and 1 child. Let's say that child is 8 years old. All right. And then let's find the price. Right. And so many people always ask me, how are you able to travel so much? I'm going to show you exactly how we've been doing it for years. All right. So let's just pick your standard room for the sake of this video. It's the Animal Kingdom Lodge. All right. So $509 a night. And pricing varies for Disney's depending on your dates. All right. All right, so we're gonna add memory maker. And we're gonna add some ticket options. All right, so let's say you're spending 6 days, but you don't want to spend all of your time at the parks. Let's say you just want to spend 3 days at the park. So 3 days at the park. And we're not gonna add on the park hopper. All right, so done. Great. Yep. All right. So here we are here. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, 3-day park ticket. And we're gonna add on Memory Maker because everybody loves Memory Maker. All right. All right, so let's add on Memory Maker. Done. All right. Okay, so we're let's say we're staying from February the 13th to February the 19th, 2022. It's going to be 2 adults and 1 child. We're going to be staying at the Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, standard view, and then we're going to be spending 3 days at the park. We're going to add on Memory Maker, and oh yeah, we cannot forget ground transportation. All right, well, we don't have to worry about ground transportation. We can call Disney and add on transportation. All right. Travel protection, let's not forget that travel protection. All right. All right. We are almost done. All right, so we have our standard room, 3-day park. We have Memory Maker, and we also have our travel protection. So as a consumer, it's going to be $4,999.45. Well, if you are booking as a Travelpreneur agent, look, there's $454.32 in commission that's attached to this. What this means is once you go on that Disney vacation, about 60 days after you guys return from your Disney vacation, guess what you're going to have in the mail? You're going to have a check. So with Travelpreneur Dreams, depending on your membership level, that depends on the amount of commission. So the commissions start off at 70% and they go up to 90%. So let's just say you're at the 80% membership level with Travelpreneur Dreams. And so that's I have my calculator, $454.32 times 80%. All right, you'll be getting back $363.45 for booking this. That's just for booking it. And let's say you're at the 90% membership level, $454.32 times. All right. So at the 90% membership level, it'll be $408.88 that you'll be getting back. All right. So that's that. Now we can take it a step further. If you're a booking agent, you can, of course, put yourself on a payment plan. So as a consumer, you don't get the option to place yourself on a payment plan. You have to go through a travel company or you have to be a booking agent, right? So let's go down here. It's thinking. All right. So over here, look at this. Deposit that's due today is $371. All right. So you pay your deposit and then the remainder will not be due until January the 14th of 2022. So let's say you had 6 months to pay that off. So $4,999.45 minus your deposit of $371. All right, so I'm going to divide that by 6. All right, so about $771 that you guys will have to save and throw towards your vacation, or if you guys want to pay in a lump sum, you can also do that if you're the booking agent by putting yourself on your own payment plan. So let's say you guys went on this vacation, you guys paid it off in full, and you did get that $408 commission check in the mail. This is what I mean by have your vacation, pay for your next vacation. So you book this yourself. If you would go online and book this as a consumer, there's no commissions attached to it. But if you're a Travelpreneur Dreams agent, there's $408 in commission that's attached to it if you're at the 90% level. 90% membership level. Like I said, there's 3 different membership levels, 70%, 80%, and 90%. So you're at the 90% commission level, so you're going to get back $408. So, right? So let's say your very next vacation. Let's say this is going to be an adults only trip and you are going to be leaving from New York to Montego Bay. All right, let's search. And let's say we want to do an all-inclusive resort. All right, so this flight here looks good, but if you don't like that flight, of course, you can always change the flight. So all-inclusive, look here, Ryu. And it's adults only because this is an adults only trip. So we're going to click on that and it looks nice. We're going to find your room type. Let's keep it basic for the sake of this video. Join your suite garden view. All right. The reviews look really good. Continue. All right. So now you guys, let's say you're booking this, but before you book it, remember you got $408 back for booking your own Disney vacation, your Disney family vacation, okay? So for this specific trip here, it's $295 in commission that's attached to it. But we're going to go through the steps of using your money, your $408 that you got to book this trip, okay? So transportation, of course, we want transportation. All right. All right, I have to choose the dates. All right. Now, if you are the booking agent with within your American Airlines vacation travel agent portal, it's going to give you an option to pay the deposit, just like Disney did. So remember, you guys have $408 that you got from Disney. So you are going to take that $408 and you are going to pay your deposit for American Airlines vacation. All right. Let's put in traveler information. Traveler A, your birthday. Let's just just pick a date. Who cares? Let's see. All right, phone number 13. All right, and traveler name, traveler B. All right. All right. Mom and dad. All right, you can choose your seats, but for the sake of this video, we're not. We're just gonna keep it going. And if you're booking with American Airlines, I would recommend adding your pre-departure protection. And it's kind of like your cancel for any reason policy. That's how I will sum it up. All right, and then we're gonna go to continue. All right, so now your commissions are $307.87. All right, so look at this. I'm gonna show you magic. All right. All right, so this is how much you guys have to pay in deposit, $490. It's $200 per person deposit. And then for your cancel for any reason policy, which is your pre-departure protection, is $45. So for the sake of this video, if you wanted to take off the pre-departure protection, your total deposit would be $90. And if you took off your pre-departure protection, I will recommend buying a different travel insurance policy. I always recommend traveling with some type of travel insurance because you never know what's going to happen. So let's do that. Well, I'm just going to leave it. Show full details. I'm just going to leave it for the sake of this video. Okay, so here, look at this. So the total amount that's due right now is $490. But as I said before, if we're going to be booking with the Disney $408, then you would take off the pre-departure protection and then later on add on a different type of travel insurance. So with that $408, if we took the travel protection off, it'll be $400 even. And you pay that deposit. And then you will have up to 50 days to pay off the remaining balance. So you can put you guys on your own payment plan. So it's depending on the date that you're booking it. No matter what, the deposit is $200 per person. So like I said, you would take the $408 from Disney and you would pay your deposit here if you took off the travel protection, which is $45 per person. So it'll be a total $400 deposit. And then once you guys come back from this trip, guess what? You can do it all over again. It's $307 in commissions that's already built into this trip. If you went in and booked like a consumer, you'll still be paying this price right here, but you will not be getting paid that commission that's here, all right? So let's go back to the beginning, Disney, all right? So let's just do a complete walkthrough of what we just did when it comes to using a vacation to pay for your very next vacation. So we booked a trip with Disney, okay? It was $454 in commission, okay? If you were a Travelpreneur Dreams agent and you're at the 90% membership level, you'll have $408 in commission coming back to you after you have taken this vacation. You would take that same $408, come over here to American Airlines vacation and log into your travel agent portal, and then you'll book your very next vacation, all right? So the total deposits will be $400. And this is without the cancel for any reason policy or the pre-departure protection. And so you would take that $408 that you got from Disney, and then you would take it and you would roll it over to American Airlines vacation. And then once you come back from this trip, about 60 days from the time that you come back from this trip, guess what? You'll be getting another commission check. So it'll be $307. And if you're at the 90% commission level, that will be $107.87 times 90%. That'll be $277. So with that $277, guess what you can do again? You can book another trip and you just keep going and going and going. And you guys, as you guys are booking your own personal trip or trips for other people, you guys can take that money and do whatever you want with it. It's your money. It's your hard-earned commissions, okay? So that was the purpose of this video today. I hope you guys have learned something. This is not a secret. It's my goal to show you guys, show everyone how affordable travel can be and how you can use the travel industry to make it work for you and for your family and for your vacation. So hope you guys have learned how to use your current vacation to book your next vacation. So if you guys have any questions about Travelpreneur Dreams Agent Academy in the comments, just put that you want more information and I'll of course send you more information, or you guys can message me, or you guys can go straight to the site and I'll have a link of that within the description. So until next week, I'll talk to you guys later.